Playa piki pralok kiba peit pasngau tenat iakane channel. Welcome to our restaurant Khasi. Ngipriang saubha ya phi sahab shaka restaurant chongi. What can I do for you? Khasi. Ka ai bangan le nakabantai chong phi. I would like a table for two. Khasi. Ngakwa arteli kimit. Certainly, sir. Here it is. Khasi. Hakajo karukom sahab kanehane. Are you ready to order, sir? Phi la long bakloi ban ong sahab. Get the menu, please. Shim ka menu soba. Here it is. Khasi. Kanehane. There are so many delicious dishes. Khasi. Ani kibon pa kijingbam ba ibang. I agree with you. Khasi. Ngasngau yahab bat phi. What would you like to have, sir? Khasi. Ka ai phi kwah ban bam sahab. I would like to have a cheese pizza. Khasi. Ngakwa ban bam o cheese pizza. And what would you like to drink? Khasi. But ka ai phi kwah bandi. Glass of red grape juice. Khasi. Shiklat ka so grape. Sorry, sir. We are run out of red grape juice. Khasi. Map sahab. Don show ka so grape. Then a red coke, please. Khasi. Tuai daka red coke soba. Sure. And what would you like to have, sir? Alright. Te pikwa saka ai sahab. I would like to have a vegetable sandwich and a portion of a salad. Khasi. Ngakwa ban bam uchur sandwich but kandiat o salad. What about drink, miss? Cái ching di, miss. Just mineral water for me. Khasi. Ai tăng ka miang à. I will be right back with your order. Khasi. Ngan sawan sa pang bat ki order chong phi.